Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all parents and my dear students. Hope you all are fine and in good condition of Iman. So today we are going to do English task of day 10. We will read book page number 51 and we will write on workbook page number 42, 43. So open your English reading book page number 51. We will do phonic practice of some more vowel sounds. So listen, look and read. In previous lecture we have read the sounds with vowel A. Now we are going to read the sounds with vowel A, E and A. So look at the first sound. It's sound of A, T. Single sound is at. When we combine the sound of A and T, it will become at. So now make some more words by joining the sound at. G, at, get. P at pet, S at set, V at wet, W at wet. Let's revise it. G at get, P at pet, S at set, W at wet, W at wet. Come to the next sound. It's the sound of vowel E. When we combine it with sound T, it will become single sound as it. Eat, it. Let's join the sound it with other letters, other sounds. B, it, bit. H, it, hit. S, it, sit. T, it, tit. W, it, wit. Let's revise. It, b, it, bit. H, it, hit. S, it, sit. T, it, tit. W, it, wit. Come to the third column. Here we will revise the sound a. P, up. A, p, up. Let's join the sound up with other sounds to make new words. Look at the first word of this column. K, up, cup. D, up, dup. G, up, gup. P, up, pup. S, up, sup. Let's repeat it. Up, K up cup, D up dup, G up gup, P up pup, S up sup. Now look down. Here are some words with pictures. So let's read the sounds of these words. What is in the first picture? It's a vet. Vet is the doctor of animals. So how to read vet? V at vet. V at wet. Next picture is of clothes which are wet. Were at wet. Next picture is of an action. Action of sitting. Means to sit on a chair. How to read sit? S, it, sit. S, it, sit. How to read sit? S, it, sit. Come to the next picture. It's a picture of a cup. How to read cup? K up cup. K up cup. Look at the last picture. What is it? It's a pup. Means a puppy. So how to read pup? P up pup. P up pup. So students, here we have done our reading work. Now we will do written work. So open your workbooks. Page number 42. We are going to do practice of article an. In previous lecture, we have done practice of article a. Now we are doing practice of article an. Where we use an? We use an with the words or nouns which begins with vowels. Letter A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So we will use an with all nouns that begins with A, E, I, O, U. These are all vowels. So we will use an with the words, for example, an egg, an octopus, an apple, an umbrella. E, A, O, U are vowels. So we have written an. Let's practice article an on workbook page number 41. Article an. Write an before the words beginning with vowel letters. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So apple begins with A and A is a vowel. So we will write an. We will not write a, we will write an because a is a vowel. Beginning letter of apple is a vowel. So we will write an. An apple. Egg. Egg begins with letter E. E is a vowel. So we will write an because beginning letter is a vowel. So we will write an. Article an. An egg. Next picture is of ant. Begins with letter A and A is a vowel. So we will write an. A-N. An. An ant. Next picture is of ice cream. Ice cream begins with letter I. I is a vowel. So what we will write? We will write article an. A-N. We will write article an. An ice cream. Next picture is of ink pot. Ink pot beginning letter is vowel I. So we will write an. I is a vowel. So we will write an. First letter or beginning letter of ink pot is a vowel. So we will write an. In next picture we have one umbrella, a single umbrella, and umbrella begins with a U. It's a vowel. So we will write article an. Umbrella begins with letter U. So we are writing an because U is a vowel. An umbrella. Let's do practice of dictation word. Here is a mop. How to write mop? M-op, mop. M is sound of M. Op is sound of O and P. M-op, mop. M-O-P, mop. M-op, mop. M-op, mop. We will do practice 3 times of this word and you will learn the spellings of mop as well. M-op, mop. Write in proper lines. We will write in small letters. M-op, mop. After writing third time, we will start next page of our workbook. So open workbook page number 43. We will do more practice of article an. It's a revision of article an. Write an before the words beginning with the vowel letter. In first picture we have ant. Ant begins with letter A. A is a vowel. So we will write an ant. Elephant. Elephant begins with letter E. E is a vowel. So what we will write? An. We will not write a because E is a vowel. So we are going to write an. A-N. An elephant. Next picture is of apple. Apple begins with letter A. So A is a vowel. We will write an apple. Next picture is of ink pot, and ink pot begins with letter I. I is a vowel. So we will write an ink pot. Here is only one ink pot, so that's why we are using article an. Umpire. Umpire. U is a vowel. So we will write an because it is beginning with letter U. An umpire. U is a vowel. Next is a picture of ox. Ox begins with letter O and O is a vowel. So we will write article an ox. O is a vowel. Now let's practice dictation word log. L-og, log. L-og, log. L is sound of L. Og is sound of O and G. L-og, log. Here is a log of wood. L-og, log. Log of a tree. L-og, log. Log, L-og, log. L-o-g, log. How to write log? log log. Write it 3 times. After completing the practice of dictation words, your work is completed now. And at the end of your work, when you completed your work, you must say Alhamdulillah. Allah Hafiz students.